Good morning, students. I hope that you will be safe from COVID-19, and students, you will be safe from cold also. Students, I hope that you have prepared yourself for the examination very well. Students, today I am going to explain Mendel's first law. Okay, what is the Mendel first law? Okay, I have already explained the statement of the Mendel first law in previous video, but today I will be repeat again. Okay, now students, Mendel's first law of dominance. Law of dominance. Okay, law of dominance. According to this law, when the cross takes place between the parents which contain contrasting traits of the same character, as a result of cross, dominant character will be appear in next generation, that is the F1 generation. Okay, now this can be understood by the following linear diagram. Tall, broad, genotype will be capital T, cross, small t. Now gamete will be capital T. Now here small t and small t. Okay, any doubt? These are the homozygous or heterozygous? These are the homozygous. And homozygous are pure or impure? These are pure. And what is the phenotype of capital T? That will be tall. And what is the phenotype of small t? That is the dwarf. Okay. Now students, cross capital T, small t. Capital T, small t, and now it is capital T, small t. Here capital T, small t. Now it is capital T, small t. Okay. Capital T, small. Okay, all are tall. Okay, this generation is known as the parent generation or P generation. P generation. Okay, P for parent generation. And now this generation is the F1 generation. What is the name of this generation? That is the F1 generation. Okay, F1 generation. Now students, I repeat again, when the cross takes place between the tall plant of the pea and dwarf plant of the pea, as a result of this cross, Mendel found that all the plants of F1 generation will be tall. So tallness is the dominant. Okay, in F1 generation, tall or dominant characters appear in the progeny. Okay, now Mendel's second law. Now Mendel's second law. Mendel's second law. Second law. Law of segregation. Law of segregation. Law of segregation. Okay, or this law is also known as law of purity. Law of purity of gametes. Purity of gametes. Okay, students, according to this law, when the cross takes place between or among the progeny of F1 generation, as a result of this cross, hybrid character, dominant character and recessive characters will be appeared in F2 generation. Okay, means hybrid tall and dwarf will be produced in F2 generation. So it is according to this law, characters cannot destroy. Clear? They are recessive characters are not destroyed. They are remain in the progeny of F1 generation, but they are suppressed by the dominant gene. But when they find the chance, they will be appear in next generation. Okay. Now students, what is the statement? When the cross takes place between when the cross takes place between progeny of F1 generation, progeny of F1 generation progeny of F1 generation as a result of this cross dominant recessive and hybrid characters are trait appear in F2 generation. Okay. Now, students, we will explain this rule, this law in next part of this video. Okay.